Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be reviewing Kit Kat Ruby flavor. As you can see, this is made in Japan. You can buy it in Melbourne at the Melbourne Central Kit Kat Chocolatory. So without any ado, let's get started. Okay, just simply open the other end and whoop comes this wrapped wafer chocolate. As you can see clearly, so it says here sublime. Okay, let's give this bad boy a try, or I should say bad girl a try. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so what you can see here is looks like kind of like something like a raspberry-ish or strawberry-ish mixed kind of chocolate, but I have no doubt this is ruby chocolate. I'll give this a try. First one, I can taste the wafer. I can taste the ruby alright. It has a little bit of a soft, zesty note in it. Kind of similar to what you get in strawberry. But other than that, I mean, it tastes kind of sweet in a way, like a fruity, sweet sort of flavor to it. And bear this money, this costs like $5 for one piece of Kit Kat Ruby piece. So yeah, if you like the taste of ruby and want you give that a shot, then yeah, I don't see why not.